Hi. Hi. Sup, Neckos? Sup, Neckophiles? Necrophiliacs? It's kind of warm in here. All right. I'm still working on this thing. Man, it's taking forever. I'm telling you. Taking forever. There it is. Oh, my music in the background. Sorry. Hey, everybody, it's Ultra Derek. Yeah. So, I've been taking penicillin. So I might be a little out of it. I saw this nice little graphic. Change of labor force over the past 20 years. Well, it's not 20. It started in 2010, so that'll be like 16 years. Structural loss, at-risk contraction. Not looking good. Why did it? All right. Yeah, man, it's not looking good. Florida. Looks like Florida and man. Guess GDP doesn't mean always everything, right? I bought a lamp of the moon. Is it based or uncool? Yes. Is NTE worth playing? I don't know. Mimi is what? Bro, I thought she was a female VTuber with Rory model. Is that true, chat? What the fuck? Whoa. Mimi is a dude. Oh. Been arguing with these anime freaks for the past few years. I wouldn't believe how many of them are returning the guide because it was just fictional drawings. Your profile picture, you in real life. Oh shit. What does that make me? Oh my god. No way. Did I retweet anything like that from the person? I think I might have. I don't know. Let me see like what I retweeted like from my home. I try to stay out of shit like that for some odd reason because you never know, man. You never know. Yeah, I'm a milquetoast. I'm milquetoast as fuck. Ah, shit. Wrong thing here. Let me quit this. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. What the fuck, man? Shit's going crazy. I guess I indirectly retweeted it. So I guess these are landmines. I guess these are landmines. I thought they were goth lollies. Meowdy cat. Best anti-libel. Oh man, I try. Yeah, I guess this is a trans woman. Is that how it goes? Mimi has drawings. Let's see what the convenience are. Can you see like? It would be fun if you saw my like name in there. Okay, I have to click on it. Thank goodness it doesn't put my like hidden name. Her art was obscene, lolly drawing, sexual kids like cartoons banned in the UK since 2009 as prohibited child images, even fictional. Bail. I heard they like arrested some chick. She had like and I think this is an actual female, but she had like a modded Skyrim or something like that with like Wolfman, and it was like basically like a porn game. And they like took her laptop and shit. So I did like a download thing. I need to like make a thing that oh yeah, when I was checking this, I was checking shit in here. Holy shit. You don't realize like how long like these names are. So I had like the path of the file. I figured I might as well just keep like part of it. Right. We got this. And then like before I think I started with the date, but actually like the most important one would be like if it's Twitch or not, or YouTube, and then like the date, the Athenia Genius, and then has that, and this is like the idea of the thing. So I gotta do the same thing, I think, with with the chat download. Yeah. So we're gonna do that next. I'd like to get like an output. Like where it's at in the downloading. That'd be nice. I think someone like actually did something with like Golang. And I think I need to make this like downloaded, and I need to make it downloading in progress. I thought I did it downloaded. It's not there, it's in the main. Update video path. Okay, so that put it in the video path. Streams 0. I almost want to like put that in here. Right? I want to put that in there. Right? So I don't even have to fucking think about it. But let's make a couple more things like before. We'll make like a wrapper that will like lock, basically quote unquote lock the download. And then like basically like unlock it and put that it's downloaded. But first let's go to like, let's do a chat. We got a second stream. So, and plus I want to like download the chat. So we might as well get the chat in there. The chat. So I did it kind of different. We got the file path, URL file path, cookies path, service. How do I have this here? Video. Okay, URL, temp path, file path. So I want to, wait a second. What? Oh, we don't need that. Here not in that one, but like the wrapper to it. All right, so this doesn't care like what it is. Although, chat, in here I want to make sure like I put the date first. Service string. So yeah, this one's much easier. If string URL contains or YouTube string return. Okay, so if this throws, basically if this is like if this throws a what is it? Yeah, basically if this is false here on the inside, it'll make it true, and then we'll return. So basically, if both of these are false, then it'll go out. Cookies path. Yeah, I had to like structure my brain on like how logic works. So we get the file path, and I'm gonna put the service path. And I think I want to put like who it is, right? I mean, that makes sense. So let's copy this. Wait a second. Service path is first. Almost feels like I want to get the date. I want to get the date. I want to get the date. I think I might need to put like the date and shit on here. We updated the date though, right? Yeah, this is kind of weird because how YouTube does it. Oh, I get it doesn't matter with Twitch. Twitch does it right, but YouTube, how they do the dates is all fucked up. So, I want to put the date on here. That'll help with this shit. In case stuff gets like disorganized somehow, I can probably like fix it by hand a bit. Yeah. So let's put like, we got URL, file path, cookies path, service. Let's put them at the end. Date, string, and let's put like the how does it save it? Oh, it saves it however you write it. So okay, we'll put like the date and the, how about let's put like the webcom ID. I call it webcom ID. It's just the ID that they give. Both YouTube and Twitch have like a personal key for each video, right? So, and or stream. What else do I need? I got the date. I got the service. I guess. Oh. I know it's probably redundant, but let's put the I almost think I don't need like the username. Do I want to put the username? This is what it looks like. Let's make it bigger. It's about as big as I can make it. This is so fucking long. So, oh, I got to rename this. Because I changed it. Shit. Let's rename this. Scan it over. So I moved Twitch to the front. Cut. I guess like searching, I can always like search Henry the Genius. Oh, but This is, we'll just do it for Twitch. Let's just keep it like that. Yeah. Yeah, let's just keep it like this. Rename. So let's start with Twitch. And I'll do the same thing with the other one. It'll say like, we'll put the date, Twitch date, and like, holy shit. Let's just like put the fucking, why am I doing this all like weird? What do we get? We get the URL. Cookies path, file path. So it wasn't even having like the name of the fucking, the name of the, of the video. So let's do this right. So we will, let's look at the URL. Let's do this instead. We don't get the services flag. But we don't need to necessarily like put it in here. But let's put like, in here instead, let's put like the file name, right? There we go. And, okay. Yeah. And then we can put the file name like, we'll put chat on the end like this. Service. Do we need to put service? Let's keep service in here. We'll think when we start making it, because I'm thinking like getting the service string. Well, it might not be too bad because we have to put it in there. Let's do it like this. All right, so what's going on here? Not enough arguments. What is this shit? Download chat. All right. So folder path, cookie strings. I guess in here. We got the folder path. And what do you like? Path base. Base and then like path base and then like user or creator path section path. There you go. And then like we'll put the file name in here, comma file name. Boom. Or we can make the file name in here. It'll help outside of, well, here's the bad part. Here's the bad part. I was hoping to take it in. All right, we'll do the file name outside of it maybe. So this will be path folder equal these two. And we'll create it here. Yep. Not enough arguments. Shut the fuck up, bitch. All right. So read directory. This checks to see if it's too big. Hello. Okay. Plus date. Ooh, what the fuck? Oh, I put that in there. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna, oh fuck. Here. You know how I was doing all that shit? I think this is gonna be good. But I do want this actually. But I don't want this. There we go. Path folder equals. The reason why I want this here is because there's just some redundancy that I don't need in it. And if I have, I don't think I have like hundreds of thousands of things, but I don't know. It just, when I see like a fucking huge ass like path in there, and this is cut down, it's just like, whoa. Whoa, dude. Whoa, dude. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't sweat it so much. But I was going to put this in its own little folder. All right. Meow. So we got the path folder. So I kind of like this, but what I want to do is put file name beginnings. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, in here. Okay, file path. So this is file name beginnings. Maybe I'll take this out. Or wait a second. No, fuck. All right, so let's do this. I want to put the service string in front. That's what I want to do. So, file path, I guess like, we'll do like file path, I guess like file name. I don't know how to put this. I think it just makes more sense to put it outside. So let's get rid of this. I don't need chat here. And I don't need this. But wait a second. I do want chat. So we'll do that. Feels like we just need this. Copy. There we go. So outside of this, can I go to like I guess I have multiple downloads somewhere. All right. Twitch download. So chat download here. We got this. So the folder. We got the date. We got the com key. That's like the main thing that we need. So we'll do. Especially with the date, I don't know if they recycle them or reuse them, but yeah. Folder plus date. Let's do like let's do a s printf. F&T dot sprint f. So string printf sprint. We'll do like this %s. I love print functions and shit. These things are fucking amazing. Whoever like designed it Needs like a raise. All right. Comma %. Comma. No comma. So then we'll put like the v was it uflags.twitch string, and then comma v.date, comma v.tw, com key. What is this? Does it return an error at all? No, it doesn't. So, boom. Now this won't be convoluted as fuck. But the path folder, we got to be careful here. Yeah. We want to, like, when we put it in this here. Oh shit! See what I did here? I didn't realize that this just returns the file name. This doesn't like return the path. Yeah. So, yeah. Crazy, isn't it? So we got the folder. Did we get the .json? I think we add the chat.json in there. All right, so yeah, we do the creators section path. Here we go. I feel like I'm fucking up. All right. Because how the folders are going to work, it's under media fetcher. So you got your train share. This is the root of the network attack storage, and then you got creators, and then like this is Henry the Genius, and this is for this date. It does that. So that's how it's going to be for everybody. I almost thought about like creating like a I was thinking about before just like creating like a JSON inside of here and updating all that shit. That might cause a headache. So let's do one that downloads the chat. Now you can download the chat at the same time, but I almost say like you're almost always going to download the chat. I don't know where I was going with this. You're definitely downloading the chat no matter what. I'm cleaning my glasses. You can see I blink a lot better now. What the hell is this music? So I almost got like a fucking $300 motherboard. I talked myself out of it. You don't know how shit's gonna look like once this like memory apocalypse goes bye-bye. Yeah. You never know how this is gonna look after the memory apocalypse is done. Because I like the board, but I'm fucking sick and tired of being fucked out of getting fucked out of what's it called? Of PCIe lanes. You know, it's weird. GPU and RAM are the only thing that are expensive. Everything else is cheap. Yeah. I got like well, I don't think they're making motherboards right now. You can't find like any X570s. There's like no new ones out there. The B550s. I got a B550. I went ahead and got a new one. It's kind of weird because I got the B550 Tough. You got 224 core. Oh man, like even before then, like the V4s, the Intel V4s, they were fucking cheap, like real cheap. I was like, holy shit. Too bad I can't afford the RAM. Yeah. Too bad I can't afford the RAM. And like even then, like even back when like before the RAM apocalypse, like it was still kind of expensive for the server memory. I couldn't believe it. I was like, what the hell? Yeah. So I think we got this one right. All right. We took these in. File beginnings, video. So yeah, it's kind of what I really liked about that board though. That creators one. Oh my gosh. I want to like, there was only like 2 left on Amazon. But I don't need it. I don't even need it. I don't need it. ECC is usually like, well, here's the thing. ECC is actually like usually cheaper than the regular shit. Because like all those servers are fucking, why isn't this shit like streaming mode? It never knows like when I want to do streaming mode. Can I do like settings? What the fuck? What's going on here? It's like locked up, chat. Settings. Stream. Mode. There you go. For those that don't want to be doxxed. Fan art. I'm afraid to look at this. I'm afraid to look at it. Where's the general? There we go. This here, 10 gigabit. Oh yeah. That should have been in like X570s. I don't care for all the output and, you know, the connectivity. I mean, I'm not like, oh yeah, I need all that connectivity. Ultra USB power, hell yeah. But like, I wanted like at least 2 X8 lanes, but holy shit. And then like this here, I mean, it's only like $319. Yeah. But like, I want the fucking like, oh yeah, there's one that has like the, I forget what those connections are called. But they're for like, they're basically for servers for a bunch of GPUs. I'd like to get one of those. So like one of the main reasons why I got that one motherboard that I got, well, there's 2 things. One, it had IPMI, which at least being able to turn it on, you know, without being next to it is great. I was hoping I could get the video, but I couldn't get that to work. Another thing was, I thought I would be able to put a bunch of RAM on there, but for some odd reason, like I couldn't add more than 64 gigabytes of RAM. I don't know why. And so I'm thinking like, well, if I can't add more than that, I'm thinking about like, so I got that one board coming in, and I got two. I'm thinking that my production PC here, I'm thinking about putting it up on a rack. I got an Asus ProArt X80. Yeah, I thought about getting that too. But that's like $150 more. So I was like, I don't know about that one. Ow! Where's like the regular workstation? Where's the in between for Threadripper and like Ryzen? There needs to be an in between. There needs to be like full PCIe lane boards where people can like set up these AI things or whatever, right? But here's the gist of it. I think here really soon, a lot of computers are going to stop supporting DIMMs. Yeah, because memory is just like too slow, and hopefully they'll also add more channels. I think older Threadripper might fill that. Yeah, but they're still fucking expensive. I don't know. They're still fucking expensive. I was looking at the motherboards on eBay. I don't know. What was I gonna say? Yeah, there needs to be like an in between. But yeah, I think we will start like not seeing DIMMs on. They're really slowing us down. That and channels. They need to like add more channels to these CPUs. How are we keeping these things fed? We're hardly keeping them fed. $100 CPU used to cost $5K each. Yeah. I love like how like, now this is like what's great about China is that they'll take like a proprietary connection and say, fuck you. We're going to make this available to whoever wants to fucking buy it. I kind of like that like attitude. I don't like them stealing. So it allows us to use like parts from, you know, from like server parts that they're trying to make like proprietary. Hell, they got like they're doing like the NVMe, what is it? I say NVMe Connect, but it's like the NVLink. They're doing that. They're making like NVLinks things where you can like basically get those modules and stick them on there and connect it to your fucking motherboard. But I gotta use my GPUs before I start thinking about buying more GPUs. I'm just gonna wait out. You never know when this is gonna bust. Yeah. I almost bought those one like V100s. $16 GB with FP16. With FP16. A P100 doesn't even have that. So that's like 32 gigabytes. It feels like a, you know what I'm saying? It's like a 32 gigabyte card. It feels like a P100. I gotta sell a bunch of shit. I think I'm gonna like show everything that I'm gonna start selling. Quad board Intels. Hell yeah, they do. Like, I don't think they were like really a lot of these like GPU like servers, only recently they started like using AMD. And so like they would put like 4 fucking chips to, you know, that control like 8 to 12 GPUs. I think we're good on this one. I think we're good on that one. But we do need to do this. What I love about AMD stuff, but they don't have for like the Ryzen, is that for one processor, 128 PCIe, PCIe lanes, 128 for one processor. With like, what do they use? Like, are they using 12 channels now? Like for the RAM? That's fucking insane. Like, why aren't we getting any of that like on the consumer end? We're getting none of that on the consumer end. We're getting fucking fucked in the ass. That's what's going on. Anyways, I'm gonna make a new page for this. Hey, servers pay a lot, yeah. But like, for a halfway decent motherboard, it can't be much more like work to put a few extra layers and lanes on that board. 500K for a GPU server. I hope they fucking all go bankrupt, those fuckers. I'm sorry. You're in the business. I'm sorry. It ended early. All right, so I'm gonna move all this to its own like folder. I can't stand all this shit here. It's bad enough. Usually if these are like short enough, like you can do that, you can get away with doing this. Yeah! Hell yeah. And it won't like autocorrect it. Do it by hand. Now I don't mind that they're like so expensive, but here's the thing, like fucking Nvidia invests in these companies and they take that money, then they buy fucking chips and like they buy all these computers and shit, and they're not even fucking using them. They're sitting on the shelf somewhere. Yeah. They're fucking sitting on the shelf somewhere right now because we don't have the power for them. Vivo, I gotta be careful here. Hold on a second. Yeah, do this. Amazon. Should have like an Amazon like searching for parts. Fucking. Ugh. That was yummy. That tastes like penicillin. All right, so Amazon. I need to get one of these. All right, so Vivo clamp on dual pull triple what the fuck is that shit? See, I don't understand why people like make these vertical. You gotta see my shit. I just use I had one pull and I was gonna like put everything on it, but I ended up having to go like two separate ones, like because it's like this. But I'm not doing that crazy thing right there. But it's kind of similar to it. I have like an extra monitor I need to like put up. It's been sitting here since Christmas. Haven't even fucking used it. 27 inches. She demands a lot from you. I think 27-inch 2K monitor is like perfect. For 4K, 27 inches is a little small. How many can she take? All 27 inches. The desk, I mean, my desk, I can, how long is it? This is like, what the fuck? My desk is like a 60-inch desk. I used to have one of these desks, and they're fucking annoying. They're annoying as fuck. Although this one doesn't seem as bad. Corner desks. Use a slide part for storage. What? I have these computers. I had this like, I gotta just throw out some cases too. I'm storing it in my son's room. I was like, I don't need that right now. And he doesn't want it in there, but he's still storing it. I'm just told him to put it in there. So it's like in the corner of his room. I just gotta throw him out. Throwing out a case is like, it's like almost like throwing away a baby. Where's that at? It is X870. What? 870 motherboard. Yeah, this is the one. There's only one left now. I think they do this to me on purpose. They know that I've been fucking looking. This is a fucking good deal. Rise before Mother's Day. Hey, Mom. I got you a motherboard. Okay, what is it? Like a Threadripper? The place to go is like, can you believe like GameStop is buying, GameStop, no, is it GameStop? Yeah, GameStop is buying eBay. Can you believe that shit? This is the motherboard I got. I went ahead and got this one. It's a merger. Last purchased today. What I liked about this board, so I have like well, I gave it to my son, but a 570, an X 570 tough. And it's like, it's okay, but I don't think it has a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet in it. And this one has it. And mine doesn't have a Wi-Fi. I don't really need Wi-Fi or anything. Why don't they have this? Why don't they show like the inputs? 1985. There we go. It's not bad. This is PCIe Gen 3. I think this is Gen 5. No, this is Gen 4. So I might move this one downstairs and yeah. Tough as solid. Yeah. Oh man. I have a tough board. I had to eventually threw it out. I think this is PCIe Gen 3 also. You like Pro Art. I really like the Unify, the Meg Unify. I really like that board. I got the Ace. It's okay. It's really missing like some features on it. I really wanted this one though. This board has it all. But this one here, I got one of these, and it's a really solid board, but both of these are gigabit Ethernets, so it's really lacking in that department. Vintage green. Yeah, this here. Oh shit. This has it all. This has IPMI. I think this has 10 gigabit Ethernet. And that's why it's like so much more expensive than this. I don't think this has 10 gigabit Ethernet. AM4 PGA. Yeah, I thought of. Oh, wait a second. Oh, you have to put your own graphics in there. Up to 32 gigabytes of per DIMM. Yeah, I think it takes ECC. But this other one. Oh, the reason why I think that because this is longer, so I'm thinking it's probably the more expensive one. I would totally get this board. Holy shit. Make this my Proxmox. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Why was... I don't know. I don't know why it was. It's probably the cheaper. What the fuck is this? I don't know what this is. What the fuck? What are these headers? I don't... There's like... 1, 2... There's 5 pins on this. These are like for fans and power. That looks like the fucking... That looks like the USB 3.0 slot. Or something here. NTPM? Maybe. I don't know. Oh, no, this is USB 3.0. What is this? This looks like the fucking... Like pins that you use to power it on and everything. But it's like almost... It's expensive. It's always been expensive. Supports 3rd and 2nd gen AMD Ryzen processors. The new, like the next Ryzen shit that's coming out, it could like be crazy. But the problem is like you can't feed all the cores. They really need to get a new socket and put some fucking PCIe, put some lanes in that shit so you can feed the cores. We need more memory channels. We need more PCIe lanes. They're trying to make up for it. AM5, I know, but AM5 needs more channels. They can't, I mean, like, yeah, they need more channels, but they're probably going to do away with DIMMs though. That's my feeling. I don't know what I feel. I don't know if I like that or not. I like being able to add like more RAM to it. Cause you know, they're going to fucking stick you like Apple does. They'll fucking stick it to you really good. Maybe they can get, maybe HBM direct to the die. They could have something like that. If they like some sort of caching, not quite caching though, right? If they can come up with an algorithm that will like put the most used address, like it can address it quicker there. But then like stuff outside of it, I'll have to grab out of here. I don't know. All that shit adds latency. It adds latency to the memory on the outside. But that's why they're putting in all that extra cache, right? Because they know they don't have the memory channels. They don't have enough memory channels to feed the shit. Since you vertically integrate, yeah. Oh, just HBM, but you can't add more to it. Oh, I heard there's like this happy medium. To like you know, soldered on memory to cut Crucial and Kingston out of the equation. Crucial's out. Crucial's already out of the shit. Hold on, like what are the different memory connectors? There you go. Oh, I can do this now. It's not DIMM or SODIMM. It's for RAM. It's kind of new. I am looking for one that is kind of new, and it isn't DIMM or SODIMM. Take on GPUs. Is it CAM2? Compression attached memory module. It uses a bed of nails pins. It kind of looks like the let's see if we can get CAM2. All right. Yeah. Wait a sec. Corsair has a CAM2? Hell yeah, brother. Look at that. Like logos. It's like the pins, like it looked like the fucking like the I don't know, motherboard pins or something. They need to start moving to this shit. Hell yeah, brother. Why are they so far away? Because I bet the lanes. CAM2. The design means. Wait a second. Computer memory RAM comes in a variety of speeds, latency. So like it's better for latencies. You probably know that these speeds and latencies are consistently improving because they fundamentally define the underlying performance. That's why we've progressed from SDRAM to DDR SDRAM all the way up to the latest generations. DDR5 memory is fundamental to the performance of our machines. So it's no surprise that it's constantly evolving. However, not everything about RAM is in the state of flux. Can light do faster frequencies? I think like light. If they're doing light, I don't know if like it'll be. Maybe you could switch it faster. You can just switch whatever. Like the thing about light is that you don't have like power going through it. Yeah, I keep on hearing about it, but I don't think they can. I don't know if they can make it small enough. Maybe they'll be bigger. Probably be bigger chips, probably, but you can switch it faster because you don't have like you won't necessarily have like all the friction due to, you know, due to the resistance and like the processors and shit. So it'll probably be way more energy efficient. But can they run, I'd like to see if they can make like a thing run on a clock. I've seen like AND gates and OR gates and shit. But I don't know if it'll ever happen. I'd be surprised if it ever happens. No one's ever, I guess HP was working on it. I don't know if they dropped it. The thing is like, they're not going to tear down all this infrastructure that's already built. But eventually, like, making like high-end GPUs and shit, or high-end like electronics, computers, blah, 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 these chips, they'll just become like super expensive. And then they'll probably like look for something else. Yeah. I mean, this stuff's not going anywhere. Until, I mean, like, I don't think it'll go anywhere. Can you imagine like everything's like running light? Like in 10 years, all this shit's gone and we're just running light processors. It was just that much better. Oh, I think you could run like parallel processing, because it's like if you're switching it and you got like different like things with different light frequencies, you can throw them all in there like on the same chip, but like have it in different colors. Wouldn't that be wild? And so like maybe you wouldn't have like multiple cores per se, but like different colors of light. And it's like doing all the fucking logic and that shit. That'd be kind of cool. Maybe you can have like massive fucking parallel processing with that. Yeah. Each frequency has its own process. Yeah. So like, I guess you would have like a controller, and like it's reading that color, and I don't know how CPUs really work. I mean, like I kind of do, but I know they're state machines basically, but like I've never had to like design the architecture or anything. And they're giant state machines, and they have instructions. How would they store fucking? I mean, they wouldn't have like a cache. I don't know if they'd have registers. Would they have registers? All right. Oh, I was gonna make a thing here. All right. DB flags. There we go. Package Twitch. All right, so I'm gonna put that in here. Wait a second. What? Oh. There we go. I'm moving this over. You better not be. Ah! Okay, cool. There we go. Channel ID string. I don't know if I need this. Let's do this over here. Here we go. All right. Why is this in here? Oh. So update video path. Update path. Get all Twitch channels. stream needs downloading. Okay, so this returns all the streams that need to be downloaded. Why don't I just have this out here? Yeah, let's make this a method. You and I. I think I called this C. All right, C channel. C start channel. Anything else? Oh. Enya stuff. There we go. Database access. So I need to do like, we got update video path, func, vstart info, update chat path, client, start Postgres client. There we go. Okay, and how do I do this? Oh, I'll copy this. And this would be like chat path. There we go. If chat path. There we go. So we got the paths. Summary path, chat, meta path, downloaded elsewhere, muted audio. So we got the date, video path, chat path, summary. All right, so func. Set downloading flag. All right. I think I don't know if this will change it. If I use update path. Oh, I can't use this. All right, so for all the paths, I can use that update path thing. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. Boom. There we go. Boom. I'm putting that down there. Let's put the flags here. All right. Okay, so where's my functions? Add streams to database. Samples. I don't think we need this any longer. Fuck. It's gonna cause errors elsewhere. All right, what's this? Get all Twitch channels. So set downloading flag. All right, so it's downloading. Wait a second. Downloading in progress. So, all right. We need to bring in the client. Star Postgres. All right. Channels. There you go. See, I don't even know if I need this any longer. I guess if I was like, yeah, I don't really need it here, but I'll keep it. Select exact. This is get all Twitch channels. Var dbf info columns count comma client dot, is it from for all these? I think so. So that's a from. That's a from. That's a from. I think it's a from. All right. So clients dot from, and then content type. Twitch channels. I think I need to put this like, I need to call this table something else. Twitch streams. Oh, I can call like channel columns. All right, let's make a type channel columns byte, and yeah, func C channel columns. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna grab like these. All right. Is this all right? Let me get the most up-to-date ones. Let's copy this and bring it over here. Boom. So I don't need streams. I do need these. I need to update these things. That's like the fucking bad thing about this shit. Instead of just like placing it in the fucking like variable, I have to fucking like update the damn database. I don't need that one. I'm surprised I didn't have like I didn't already do this. I guess I didn't do it already. All right. Channel ID. Yeah, so this is like... Oh. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so... Control Shift. So I guess like Funk C channel columns. I gotta rename those. So these need to return strings. Oh, yeah, I'll just rename them later. So string, and we'll cut this. I'll return. Not that. That. Control Shift End. Oop, can't do that. Control Z. Delete that. At the end, boom. Close it. All right, there. So I'm just going to take lowercase c. I'm lazy. Have I tried Rust? No. And then let's do like a... I heard like in Rust, you know, like how they're going to rewrite everything in Rust for like the Linux kernel and shit. They have to like use unsafe memory like the whole entire time. It's like, so what's the fucking point? Like, what's the fucking point? What's the fucking point, man? All right, so I'm gonna put one called table here. They need backwards compatibility with C. Like, just gotta rewrite all. How many? I can't remember how many hundreds of thousands of lines of code is like in the kernel. I'm gonna call this table. So there's a table name string, and oh, return. Yeah. They're fucking nuts, dude. Yeah, all these people are knucking futs. All right, so this one, it'll be easier just to look at it here. Twitch channels. All right. Twitch _ channels. I recently heard about micro kernels with GNU Herd. All this shit here to interact with the. I wish one I wish version 13 was like out. It's a little more intuitive in what they're doing here on this Postgres Go. Never just start your computer. Yeah, I thought like we were never supposed to have to restart our computer. And I fucking have to do it all the time. Not as much as Windows, but I was having a hard time with I think I closed it. But Krita like wasn't working right. They did some like update. It was like fucking with my my graphics driver. All right. So we got this piece of shit. We got the table, strings. I just wonder, like, get channel ID. All right. There we go. Database access. Wait a second. Ugh. Client from what's this table? Oh. Shit. Why do I need to do like Twitch? Oh, because I had this. All right, so this is var like C flag channel columns, copy, and then this will be cdbf dot table. There we go. dbf dot table. Man, I am execute. Things going on device kernel module would be fun. I think if I was to like write a language, I'd want to do like I was wanting to like make like an addition to Golang, and to where you can make like kernels in it for GPUs to do GPU compute, and to like separate it from funcs. You'll call it like a kern, K-E-R-N, and then like you can like do kernels with that. But like it will take like a different type of like a style inside it. But then I was like kind of looking into it and all that shit. I was like, I don't know. But like you can get like a compiler, right? And cause like I think like NVIDIA is in like, I forget which compiler you can use with it. Shit, I don't remember. It's like a big one. And I think Go's like part of it also. And you can kind of like put them together. I was thinking maybe. Yeah, LLVM, that's right. Yep. Yep. So like update. Value interface. Comma returning string. No, I don't want that. I think I need to put like the from table. How do they do this? Oh, update. Update path. What's a returning string? What? Count? Oh. I think I had to use update. And what is this update path? Oh. Yeah, I had to make it as an interface. Unfortunately. Or like as a map. Path. Oh. Column ID and path. All right, so. All right, good night. We'll do update path and results. So, okay. Wait a second. What the fuck? All right. String. These have to be strings. How do I just type in false? I guess I do true. All right. All right, so value bool. All right. Actually, we'll put that at the end. Bam, bam. All right. Map, string. It's kind of like the same as this. I don't know, like, I feel like I can use this update. But I think like the representation, what is this exact? I think I could just, holy shit. I think I can use the same thing, man. Oh, wait a second. I can do, oh, this is bool. This makes it easier. Wait a second. Yeah, this is bool. And this makes it easier. Because then I could do like column ID. What the fuck? Oh. So I gotta do the column ID, which is the downloading. All right, so it'll be downloading in progress. All right, so And then this will be like value. So I was thinking like maybe I can have like an update one. Do I put a comma here? I can't remember. Oh, I do. All right, so I don't know why it like, why is it doing this? Oh, there you go. All right. I'm gonna make this smaller. I can see more butts. All right, so this is update path. This is not update path. Why did I name it here? This is update, update stuff. Update bool. So I think I might make like a downloading flag. Instead of this, I'll do like an update bool thing here like this. So it'll kind of be the same because it's very similar to everything else, like downloaded. We got bools here, right? You can't see them here. Let's bring in this one here. There we go. So we got like we got bools in here. We got 3 of them. Each of these, like we can do like an update path thing for it too. And even these like things with strings in it, like each of these can be updated through it. Twitch ID cannot be updated. These cannot be updated, but like stuff like this can be updated. I don't know about like these. I'm keeping these in here because like for saving and shit. Yeah, it'll make it easier. But as soon as we're done with them, I'm just throwing them out. I downloaded elsewhere. Yeah. So I'm gonna make like this is gonna be a generic update bool. So update bool. So this one here will be, I think I called it like column ID. So I'll call it column ID again. So column ID string. And then like we'll have the value bool. So like we're gonna make like, we don't have to make any checks because I'm gonna make public functions that will be within, you know, that will like be okay. So let's put the column ID here. Boom. And then we got our value. Yeah. So we got it. Basically, I think everything can be like set the same here, right? So let's copy everything here. Like, I don't think I need to like print this shit. Yeah. Path. I'm gonna call it. Yeah. DLF table. Man, I'm just gonna like grab this whole thing. I'm tired of like looking back and forth on it. All right, so I'm gonna check to see if the length is long enough. The count is greater than 1. All right, so we got that DLF table. There we go. We'll just rename it to DLF. Update bool. Copy that. Bring that there. Representation. I don't know what that needs to be. Oh, these are names they actually put in. Heh. Okay, DLF ID, DLF ID, ID, string conversion, VID. All right, yeah. So this is like the ID that puts to execute. What are the results? Do we really need like a results? I don't know. So error. I think that's good. Language results greater than 0. So here, like, let's put like if debugging. There we go. Okay. Updated row. All right, so let's do the same here. Copy. There we go. Result 0. Return nil. All right. So yeah, you have like your equals. So it's grabbing that. It's updating this column ID and value. Update bool. Hell yeah, brother. So now like here I have like update video path, update chat path. I'm gonna make like an update downloading progress. So and so like also like I should probably change it in here, right? So okay. Downloading func vstar info start. No, is it set downloading? Download set DL flag. There we go. Maybe I should put like DB, right? And like here put DB. That might be like smart. Cause it'll like yeah. So we'll take in the thing here and there here. I'm automatically gonna make it true. Even if it says false. So I'm gonna like, oh, wait a second. Set DB flag. Ooh. Okay, so yeah. We don't know. We're gonna pass the value in. All right. All right, so we're gonna pass the value in there, and there we go. There we go. And then this will return. There we go. What song is this? This song, some techno. Perturbator. I'm gonna add this to a library. I'm gonna save this to a playlist. There we go. All right, so we'll run. Actually, I can just return this, right? Return update bool. But let's set the v dot downloading in progress plus value. All right, and then like we'll also pass the value here. So we need to send the client through. Comma valuable. So we'll pass the client, comma, column ID. So this will be column ID. All right, so I was thinking about having a universal flag thing. Var DLF info columns. All right, so this will be like info columns dot. Wait a second, not info columns. Wait a second. Yeah, info columns. Info columns dot. Why is it just these three? There's like all these. Why are these starred? Let's get these all. There we go. We're not changing anything. They don't need to be pointers. There should be like this here. All right. Oh, my bad. It should be DLF. And this will be dealing in progress, comma, value. There we go.
There we go.
Let's go ahead and set so the error in downloading, we can do that one too. Anything that's a string that we can add shit to it, we should be able to like just update it, right? SRT path. Okay, so let's do all the ones that are bools. And those are these three. All right, so let's do all the ones that are bools. And the muted audio. I think I already did like the muted audio. Did I do the muted audio? It updated it, right? Downloading in progress. All right. Downloading progress flag. There we go. And Control Shift. There we go. Ah, fuck you. There we go. So we did that. Func. Info. Set. Downloaded elsewhere. Elsewhere. DB flag. DB. They're like all fucking very similar. They're all fucking similar. So this will be, there we go. And funk. I don't know if it's like good or not. I just figured I might as well just like set them like as it happens, right? Like these are fucking critical. I don't want like, especially like this downloading in progress one and the like, holy shit. That's fucking like, you don't want to like be downloading something like double working, triple working or whatever. So I don't think like it will happen, but like, let's say I eventually, like if I get like 2 computers doing this at the same time, then like maybe they'll do something like that. I don't know. So I don't want to risk it. Downloaded flag, DB. There we go. Client value bool. And a lot of these are like after I've done them. All right. And I can just copy this and paste it. And here, this will be that. My bad. Copy. Falg. All right. Downloaded value. DLD. There we go. Update pool. All right. You gotta love it. So this will set it to whatever you want. I guess like if I'm gonna be using the GPUs on this, I might as well set these here. I don't think I have to set the I will have to set the date for what's it called? All right. ID int. Some of these, like for Pippa, I know like the muted parts, it's gonna be like out of control. So I do want to set this one. This air. Man, I gotta go to the restroom. Let me be right back. I'll be back, baby. Yeah, baby. Ah. What was I doing? Don't say your mom. Don't say your mom. Don't say your mom. Don't say your mom. Your mom. All right. So I think, yeah. Strings. What's this shit? Streams needed downloading. All right. Add streams to database. Client. I hope I didn't use this. C streams. All right, so I don't need this. So let's do the let's create the other ones that for like where we change the paths and clipped sections, and then we're gonna have to make like clipped sections thing here too. So this one's gonna be tougher. And then like muted segments. This is not like. This is not. This eventually will come in. Did it seem like it fucking faded? So, update chat path, update video path. V start info. Update. SRT path. Let's start. I'm going to add DB to this. To these. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Add streams to database. All right. Get all channels, DB. This will be DB also. Streams need downloading DB. Ah. DB. Ah. There we go. Save. Anything else? Fucking piece of shit. All right. I'm hitting. Oh, I keep on hitting control. DB. DB. Save. Get all Twitch channels. DB. There we go. All right. And like, so you noticed in here we did the update. What the fuck? Video path. I think I should put the path here. I think I should do the same thing with this. Comma path, string, right? And then do this. Equals path, and then put path in here. I think this will be just keep it more consistent with those other ones. And then we'll put path here. String. This is chat path. Oh my gosh. Chat path. There we go. There we go. So that's like the file name and all that shit, right? Oh, I gotta do like check the chat. So okay, var v dot video path equals path copy paste. Boom. I do hate that, like, I hate that these are all like public. Okay, update video path. So I was gonna put this in here. Fine, video path. V dot. What? V dot. Video path. All right, so here. Yeah. That would be bad if it's already in there, but I don't think it's ever gonna happen. So here we'll just do like v dot up. Shit, I don't have the client in here, do I? Fine. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Control Shift Z, Z. Fuck me. Where is that at? Did I cut it out? Download video. I thought I put the client in here. Let's go ahead and put the client in here. So client star comma postgres dot client. I hate having to pass it. I was thinking about loading it in. But that might be a pain in the ass. I might have to change a bunch. I have to figure out when to put it in. I guess I'd have to put it in at the very beginning. All right, so yeah, now we can do this here. So this would make more sense. So v.update update video path db. I think that's it. And so boom, boom. Wait a second. Let's not do there. Break. If not found, blah, 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 blah. Beta update video path db. This is redundant, right? But I don't give a shit. All right, so what the fuck? All right, so all right, chat path. No. Vita video path. There we go. Client, comma, video path. There we go. So I'll update it inside of there. That means I don't have like another line outside of this. That'll be a fucking pain in the ass. Only reason why I'm passing it, because I don't know if like I'm gonna make like separate clients. I don't know if this like client here, like it doesn't seem like it's made for parallelization, right? Transport set header. Oh, I think it kind of is. Well, what if like, ooh, I don't think so. So like, let's go into here. All right, let's go into update video. Okay, so like here we got the update paths, and then like we do all this shit. Is this the last thing? Execute to. Execute helper. I don't see like any kind of like new buffer. Readables, what is this? All right. I don't know if they have like a worker. Yeah. Update. How does it know when to do all that shit? Yeah, I think they're all gonna have to get their own. So yeah, I think they're all gonna have to get their own. Let me ask. My profile. What the fuck is this? Oh, no. How do I get out of this? Let's go to Grok. All right, let's go to another. Okay, so for Postgres Go, do it's not Go Postgres, right? It's Go. So for the client, can I use the same client for multiple Go routines? Like Go routines. I can't. Routine? How do you spell routine? Routine? Double. Okay. For multiple Go routines. Or is it like a... I saw the mutex, right? That's like a clear flag that you're not doing stuff sequentially. You should safely use the exact same Postgres client from multiple Go routines. Why it's safe? Postgres client, most recent versions, is just a thin wraparound Go standard. Oh. Safe for concurrent use by multiple Go routines. It reuses connections automatically. Pattern best performance. All right. Funk, go. Streams need some downloading. Don't create a new client on every Go routine. Inside a loop. This defeats the connection pooling and adds overhead. What the fuck was that? Quick test if you can run right now. All right. No extra code needed. Let me show you how to... No, we're fine. I just got like a ton of shit. All right. False. So we need to take the client in. So this will be client. There we go. There we go. So I want like a lot of the like up where I'm like changing flags. I want to hide it in there, like in this shit. All right. So Twitch stream needs downloading. Streams needing downloading. All right, get channel by ID. Get all Twitch channels. Oh, baby. I might do like someone I haven't done before. Let's add somebody. Where's that? Bash. So we got a second bash here. CD. UI. Go. Run main.go. All right, so we got Balhenya, Pipkin Pippa, Asmongold. Let's add, I think Powder. Like someone wanted me to clip Powder.
It has been listed at like 4.
Bye-bye. Toma. Love to get Case on. Not Case on. I like Case on, but yeah. Powder. Alright. So we got Powder. Copy. I don't think she has like a YouTube channel. I see Pippa there. I see Pippa there. When I wish upon a star. All right, so Powder. Paste. Let's see if she has a YouTube channel. Powder. So she has no lives. She has some videos, I guess. What the fuck? It's just her streams. Like sections of it.
As you guys may have seen over the weekend, I caused the great Muujin to crash out over just calling him an unreliable narrator. But we're gonna watch this video that Tectone made. Thank you, Tectone, for covering this story. It's going to be...
They're gone. Fillion's gone. I DM'd her and she didn't respond back. There's a slight joke behind that, right? Like, her DMs are open to everybody, and all right. So let's add her. What? We're just gonna do this here. So, how many things does she have? Videos. What I want to do. Do. So she has quite a bit. So we got gigabit Ethernet here, and how fast can my hard drive take shit? I've never like tested it. I guess I can do like 10 in a row. But we're gonna do the other Henya one and see if it mixes, if it does it, and then I'm gonna like set up a little worker that does her channel, and see if it does it. I'm gonna get it all, baby. Get it all, baby. All right. And she's like 7 and 7. Or her creator is 7. But like almost wish it. So I got her here, right? Powder and then Twitch channels. So she's 7 and 7. Yeah. 6 and 6. I almost. Yeah, never mind. One's gone. I forget who I deleted. I can't do Pippa. Pippa's just like way too big. And plus she has like streams where it's half the audio's gone. See, I don't even think I need these. This was here before I was doing the database. Now the database like just pulls everything up and handles it all for me. Although I kind of understand, like I was like wanting to make it faster and some other means, but I'm not going to go into the detail. That was like a cheat. All right, so we got powder. Let's do like these here real quick. Man, that seems like so far over. Let's close this. I am on this right now on the left. Yeah, I want that. So update path, DB, and imagine doing this. All right. And this will be SRT path. I'm probably going to throw it out. Like I really don't need these. Other than like, let's say I got them all updated all at once. Or like I do need them to hold shit. So I guess so. But some of these I don't really need. It helps with the downloading stuff though. I was thinking about making their own like fucking thing. SRT path. All right, so, and then like, this will be like SRT path. See, it's fucking easy. Get chat path. Duration, that gets grabbed already, so SRT path. What are you doing? What's going on here? Already declared. Shut the fuck up. All right. And this will be summary path, summary path, summary path. No video path. No. Oh shit. This doesn't matter now. All right, so this doesn't matter. Because we're bringing it in no matter what. So, yeah. Goodbye, if statement, bitch. Yeah. All right. Summary path. All right, that's fast. All right, so chat metapath. Yeah. Is this already fucking done? All right, update chat metapath. Chat meth path. Wowzers. Cool, eh? So, does she get clipped? She gets a decent amount. Okay, like my next thing that I'm gonna do after this, with Twitch is always the time of the essence, right? Because they lose their shit after a while. But that being said, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the clips section, and then like I got like a laptop I don't use really, and I can do like a headless laptop, not headless laptop, but like I could be logged in on the laptop, and it can like the Go Rod can, I guess it'll like open up a window, and I got to make like a little program for that to run on that. So, and we'll be doing a little bit of programming on that one, but I don't know if I have to have a like pre-open a fucking, I don't know if it'll open up a, I bet it will open up a Chrome thing. Yeah. Yeah. So what is all this shit? Check muted segments. Oh yeah, that didn't work. So that's all done here. So let's make a handle that does like a worker. All right. Oh, wait a second. How does it save it? Add streams to database. Okay. See, I don't know like how this works. Like this was nil before. And all right. Let me copy this, and then I got a clips section. I don't think it'll work. I think I'll have to do like, all right, so let's do this. I think this is going to be like a little bit harder. This is going to be a little bit harder, chat. So I got like a clips parser. It goes through and does the clips and all that shit. It's pretty fucking complicated. So yeah, get end time. I mean, it's like 650 lines of code. All right. Get the key from possible URL. All right, what does this do? Okay, so that gets the Twitch key, VOD key, clip key. All right. So in here, I think I had it running parallel. Oh yeah. So in here, what I want to do is timestamp error. In here, like, I got the clip URL. I guess like Twitch VOD key. So before we go into this, I want to have a list of clips, and I want to check on it, and if they are not in there, then it'll break. All right, so before I go in, so that gets the clips info, and then like here, like it sorts them all out. I think it does it like, where's the clips info? So let's bring this over here too. So split right. Let's close these. Boom, boom, boom. So clip info. All right, so this is the Twitch com key, and then clip sections. So clip sections, Twitch stream ID. Yeah, so that's like the Twitch stream ID. All right, so this is here. So this is the Twitch clip ID. So I kind of want to move this up. So what we're gonna do here, man, I should almost like create like a whole new thing for this. It's almost like its own section. So I'm gonna make a database access clips parser, because it's like its own like beast. Yeah. So like we're gonna have to grab like all the clips for like a certain person, and yeah, I think we're just gonna grab all the clips for certain persons, because it's just gonna it just grabs these. Ugh. And it's not in like any order other than popularity. So it doesn't really do us any good on that front. So let's create clips database DB access. I go. All right, so meow 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 meow. And I'm gonna make the database flags and then move over here. All right. So we'll start with that first. What's going on here? Can I just save this? All right. So let's close this right now, and we'll move this over here. Video. All right. So let's do that. Let's do this. Copy both these. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. So I have table. This one will get a table. The table for this one is like, wait a second. Where's sections at? Oh, there it is. All right, let's make sure we got everything correct on the table. So, table, baby. What's going on? All right, so I don't know if I'm ever gonna do that. So we'll do like the clips. What the fuck? Let's look at the tables. Twitch stream ID, title, clip by, start, Twitch clip ID key. Okay. So I think I don't really like have like this archive days. So this has like the archive shit. I don't know about that. I guess like if I didn't do a download yet, then it'll like we want to archive it. So all right. That sounds fucked up. Mostly I need this one. So we got ID, Twitch clip ID key. Let's just do like what the fuck is that? Oh, that's from that's like that is the fucking that there is the URL pretty much. All right, so let's put like ID here. Int. There we go. Paste. What? What? Oh shit. My bad. Let's do this. Let's see here. Oh, that's kind of convenient. There we go. Twitch stream ID. And yeah. All right, so we got the ID. And bye, bitch. And we'll copy this and bring it over. I just got to make sure these are all like lined up. Let's make save to playlist. All right. So I just need this section. So let's do this. Let me go ahead. T. All right. Let's delete this. So we're going to create a, what is this, Twitch? Okay, package Twitch. All right, and we're going to cut this. Oh, wait a second. What's the name of this? So this is table, right? So we'll make this here. Okay, so var, wait a second. Type. How was I what was I? Huh? What? Wait a second. Ah, fuck. I need the parser. Clips parser? Wait a second. Where's the other one? There we go. We did something like that, channel columns, so I'm gonna call it clip section columns or something. Wait a second. No. Yeah. So we'll call this clips columns. Byte. I put it in a byte. It can just be an empty interface. Can I do like any here? What is it? Size 16. What about interface? Like this. I think byte smaller. Yeah. There we go. It's small. So, okay. Let's delete this. So these all were, okay, so func C clip columns. All right. And then it'll return a string. And then like delete that. Uh-oh. Control-Shift-Z. All right. Oh, shit. Okay, so... boom. Control-Shift. Backspace. Boom. All right, so these are all like returning stuff. I don't know if I'm going to use them all. All right, so let's get this out of our site. Like a lot of these we're not going to use. Eventually I'll delete them. All right, so let's do this. Boom. Okay. So a lot like clips parser. All right, we don't. All right, we'll look at this later. What happened here? I saved something. I don't know what I did. I think we're fine. All right. I got to be careful. All right, so let's delete that. Close it. Video. Let's close that. Clips parser. Let's go ahead and close that one. We don't need to see that one. And here. So I want to see this. All right. Let's close this one. So a lot of them like add stream to database. We got like, I got one that's like, streams need downloading DB. It's stuff like that. Something similar to this. So, but here, let's take this and, all right. All right. Okay, so this will be like, oh my gosh, let's make this bigger. There we go. It just seems so fucking far away, man. It's like weird. It seems so fucking far away. All right, so this will be clips. Get all clips in DB. So this will grab all of them. I think. Oh. 4 channel. Yeah, because update bool. Streams need downloading. So this is Twitch channel. Yeah, so. Yeah. I should move this over there. So let's do like a C start. Well, I don't need to have a star. C channel. Get all clips for get all clips. So it's gonna get all of them. All of them. So we're gonna get let's go ahead and do this. Boom, boom. So get all clips. Twitch channel. So this is connected to the stream. Ooh. Holy shit. Am I gonna have to fucking put the channel on there too? I think you can get away with not doing it, but I don't know, like, all right, so all right. I'm gonna have to ask you how to do it exactly. Because we got Twitch streams and then we got like Twitch channels. Oh, this one did it. All right. This one did it. This one get streams needing downloading. So all right. So client there took the Twitch channel. Yeah, we need all the streams for the channel. So this is a select. Oh, we got all that. So DBF table. This is actually going to be info columns. This will be DBF clip columns. Oh, I didn't make a table. So let's make another one. Copy. Make something called table here. And we'll return this name. Copy. There we go. Date. All right, so the order will be in well, shit. Here's the thing, like I was trying to do the binary search, but it fucking didn't work. I'd rather do it all. I'd rather do all this on my end than like constantly like asking the database. So, all right. Okay. I don't think I need any of these. I would do it in the order of the. I guess descending order of date. Wait a second. Do I even have date in there? I don't even have a date. Title. I think descending order of clip, TW clip ID key. Yeah. Switch channel. I am confused. Filter builder. Because let's look at this here. Well, fuck. Channel ID. What is this? All right. It has a channel ID in there. All right, so all right. I guess I'll put the Twitch channel ID in there. I thought it didn't really matter. Like if they're connected here, like I thought that would kind of like spread to here. Okay. Twitch channels ID. All right, let's put Twitch channel ID in here. All right. Twitch channel ID. Right. And then I guess it's like an N4. And where did it? Wait a second. And Twitch stream. All right. Let's do it here. Ah. What the fuck, Dio? There you go. Twitch channel ID. All right. Can I tell it like where it comes from? Twitch channel, I guess. There we go. Action if reference. No action. Updating a record from will raise an error if there are records existing in this table that reference it. I didn't know I can fucking do this shit. Save, I guess. There we go. I don't know if it's a foreign key. It's repeatable. Yeah. All right, so I went ahead and put that in there. I think I could have like created like an SQL function or whatever, written something out, but to be honest with y'all, like my brain can't think of that right now. So I'm taking shortcuts because yeah. And I am going to put the I want to like look at the. All right, so we'll do this here. Copy. There we go. And let's see, funk. See, delete T string return, delete return, and delete. Is that it? There we go. So we got that. And then DBF. Wait a second. Was that what? Was that not there before? Aha. It fucking works. All right. So, I love it when a plan comes together. But I don't have it here. So clip sections, and then we're going to put it in here. Ah, fuck you. Copy this. There we go. Excellent. Okay, EQ. We don't need an EQ for any of this. So, channel ID. Yeah. I almost want to like put one up there. I almost want to. Let's bring this door down. So this will be order by TW clip. Wait a second. TW order by TW clip ID key. Postgres ops. Nulls first foreign key table? No. Wait a second. What is this? I think here, like, yeah. There's no date. I don't think this will ever get big. Actually, it'll get huge. Streams. So this is not gonna. We don't want to take it info. So we're gonna actually return like I guess like clips info or clip sections. Yeah, that's what we're gonna take. Clip sections. And I don't think I need a pointer. There we go. Well. And this, we'll call this clips. Clip secs. Clips. Clipped sections. There we go. Clipped section. There we go. Copy this. There we go. What? There we go. And there. So we'll make a func here. This is a database access. Get all clips DB. There we go. All right, so what I think I'm going to do first is, and I'm going to go to bed, I think. I was wanting to like make a main func of downloading everything. I might just have to do that in the morning with a fresh brain. Get clips simple. So, but like next time, well, we're gonna have to do like an update clips. Here's a clips first. Let's save that. And I'm gonna copy this, and we're gonna have to do like one where I guess we could just save it. Add clips to it. I mean, like technically we're just gonna be adding clips to it, so let's go ahead and make an add clips. It's already there. Let's make it add clips. So, oh, Twitch. Need downloading. So add clips to database. Add clips to database. And I think I may need to make like a global one of these. Twitch streams SQL table. So this will be I think it's fucking raining. I hear thunder. SQL table. This will be like var database flag clips columns. So I guess like channel, and we get the channel ID, right? I got to make sure I add it to that. How does it know to add streams? Inserted C streams. Ah. Okay, so yeah. We'll have to be sure to put the channel ID in it, or it's gonna be empty. So we're gonna have a tough time there. So insert to make info. So Inserted, make, and then like clips. Clip sections. All right. I don't know. It brings it back up. I don't even know if we need execute 2. Execute 2 runs a Postgres encoding and results in supplied interface. Note that the argument for the parent should always be referenced to the slice. All right. So, SQL table. All right. So, let's just copy the rest of this and put it in. Yeah, a lot of my stuff, I'm just like, ow, fuck, ouch, it kind of hurts. A lot of my stuff, I like add stuff to it, but like I really don't need to now. But like when I call this stuff, I guess I'll call a channel at a time and then work all the fucking magic on it, and then just like when I'm done, I'm done. Or I'll stay there like until, yeah, when I'm done, I'm done. So df, yeah, so this will be like table, dbf.table. See why I do this shit? C, okay, so it's not gonna be C streams. This will be actually be, ooh, fucking, oh shit. I guess I'll just do this. See, output clips. I think I made a function where I put them all on the shit, on that shit. Huh. Where is the C channel? I think. All right, let's do it. Let's do it this way. I was hoping to fucking do it all once, maybe. So we definitely want to run this first. Holy shit. Yeah, this is gonna make sense. So, all right. Insert. All right, so equals the range of C dot streams. Stream range of streams. Oh baby. And this will be like And this will be like stream dot what? Oh shit. All right, so stream dot clip sections. All right. So, yeah. I think that's it. Inserted. I think that's it. So this, yeah, it's important to fucking throw away whatever I was using before. On conflict, only if needed, assert true. Exact counts, return, row count. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I need to know like the count. Yeah. This will like go into like info. Panic? I don't need a panic. Panic is the last thing I want to do. We'll return. There we go. And actually, this will go to a warning. Or error. U flag. Flags. That error. Undefined flags? Bullshit. Error flag. Error what? Error log. Error in uploading clips. What's this? Undefined error log? Error logs? What the fuck? We got U flags, error log. Yeah, it's error log. Why can't you do that, bitch? All right, what's going on here? What's going on here? ERR log? No. Where's the error logs? Okay, where's the Erlogs, bitch? Erlog, info debug, warning, error, funk error, Erlog. Why can't I find this? Handler, like, I bet I fucking used it somewhere in here. No. I didn't use it in here? Yeah. Copy. What the fuck, Dio? Oh, wait a second. I can't do that there. What the fuck, Dio? Is it because it's capital? There we go. Fucking bitch. So I don't know if I'll get like, I might get like a warning or something, or like some of them that are not already there. I don't know. Because I think this checks to see if there's like, it probably won't insert stuff that's already there. I'm thinking. Yeah. So yeah. Bow, 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 bow. I need to make like a function. So this is like for downloading. Now I need to like, oh, wait a second. Do I have like add? I'm gonna have to make sure we get this right. So update path. Get all Twitch channels, database. All right. Why are we getting them all? All right. Streams need downloading. So I guess it fills them all up. I don't know what it puts all in there. I think it just does the Twitch channels. And it makes everything fucking, yeah. Yeah. Do we do like a C dot something? F dot, C dot. All right. Okie dokie. I think I'm gonna call it now. I'm gonna go to bed. Hopefully I can get some good sleep and I'll run the Twitch one. I have to make a function to, I guess, like get all the clips. But then I gotta double check to make sure like I'm not like inserting like old ones. So I don't know, like I'm gonna have to see like how to check for that. Yeah. All of a sudden, this got like really fucking complicated as fuck. Yeah. And I think here, like, I'll have to make sure like I load the streams for the channel. Yeah. This is gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. So, okay. Thank you all for stopping by. I am gonna go to bed. Thou shalt glow. This project's never ending. I got done with 90% of it, then I got done with the other 90%. I got done with 90% more, and I'm kind of seeing like the tunnel at the end, but it's just like these database accesses. They're it's like different for me. I'm not used to them. Yeah. So it's different for me. But yeah, y'all have a good night. I'll try to get on during the day. I'll try. And yeah. Yeah. Hopefully I can start. At least I want to start like adding shit into the database, right? Yeah. And then like I want to be able to start like looking at stuff and seeing like, I don't know. I need like tips and shit. I need some tips. Just a tip. I shouldn't have done this. I should have done a database. No, I should have done a database. I was just thinking like, what the fuck am I gonna do if if my database fucking if it goes kaput? I'll be fucked. I'll be absolutely fucked. I'm gonna need to like save it somehow. Yeah. Like if my hard drive goes bad, like, yeah, I'll be fucked. 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 All right. Thank you guys. I will be back later on today. Stay out of trouble. One day I'll start editing videos again. Bye-bye.